Back with an unboxing. It is One Piece Collection 10. You have Franky on the front. This one has episodes 230 to 252. Spine. Other spine. The back. Let's read that if you want. The Marquis, Franky. Extra star. Same as the other side. The back. Bad boy up. Let's see what we got here. Show me out. Okay. Disc 1 has episodes 230 to 235. Disc 2 has episodes 236 to 241. Disc 1, Disc 2, Disc 3, and Disc 4. Disc 3 has episodes 242 to 247. Disc 4 has 248 to 252. Alright guys, that was my unboxing of One Piece Collection 10. Like I always say, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.